Hi guys, greetings from sunny Istanbul. This week I've changed a little bit of concept of my videos and I will cook for you. Yes, literally cook for you. So let's do it. I was just there and now I'm in bazaar. So let's go. I don't have any specific list of buying something or any kind of list to buy something. I will generally do my weekly shopping and will cook with them. Guys, I'm really bad at shopping, but I have some kind of technique which I follow old ladies because they always find cheapest and the best quality things. Which, for example, here there are a lot of people, which means I think it's kind of good because it always is. It's not generally true, but most of the time it was true. Yes, I'm at home. Today I will cook 3 different types of food. Actually, only one of them are food. The pasta, the second one would be salad, and the third one would be the dessert. So, let's start. Yes, I have this kind of ingredients. I have bowl, something to mix, flour, milk, oil, any kind of oil can be, the sugar, egg, vanilla, baking powder and cacao. I've added egg and now I'm adding sugar. Now I need to mix it. Yes, now I can add milk and oil. Then we need to mix it again. Yes, now I have something like this and need to put dough and cacao. By the way, Dr. is always my favorite because most of the Turkish people, and I think it's international, there is an advertisement with one little child who cooked with his father, and that's why the name always attracts me. I don't know why, but that advertisement really picked me. So now I will add this. By the way, I will put the advertisement on the description. Oh, okay, if I could manage to find it. Okay, now I need to continue. Okay, it's done, and please tell me that I'm not the only one who do this. Yeah, perfect. I don't have an oven, so I generally cook like this. Water, then I will close it and cook it. Yes, now instead of using pan's lid, I generally use such a things because the own lid make a lot of noise, so I cover this too. I think every Turkish home had this kind of yellow things, and the temperature is really high now till the water boils. Then I will make it low. After you will hear that the thing starts shaking, the cup starts shaking, you will hear that noise, then you can make it slow. Yes, now you can hear the sounds. Then now I'm making it really slow and let them cook for about half hour, and never open this because it won't be fluffy. And yes, this is the ingredients of my salad. It's kind of typical salad, which I have lettuce, dill and parsley, a little bit of, and cherry tomato, cucumber and the corn, but it should be cooked. And now I'm gonna wash it, and yeah, like this. After washing, I generally use this kind of vinegar, so to kill any kind of harmful bacteria. and I've learned it from one of my friend's mother. Thanks for her. Güzel abla, selamlar, and like this. And let them wait a few minutes. It depends on how much time you have, and I generally prefer to let it around 15 minutes or half hour, then that's it. Yes, it's time to check it. Oh. Yeah, they are really divided, but we will turn it back so it will be okay. Yes, here they are. The shapes are not that much good, but I think it will be okay. So let them cool a little bit. So we will continue with another food, the pasta, which I'm gonna use this penne, which is my favorite after spaghetti. And we will use the same corn which I will use in salad, and we have pepper, I think bell pepper is called, then egg and the cheese. Let's start. I have corn, pepper and the egg, and I add a little bit of salt and oil. Then now it should be boiled, then I'll add the pasta. Yes, still it's cooked. I can continue with my salad. I have a kind of annoying habit which I need to, after cutting this, I need to clean this piece in order to cut another thing. It's really annoying, but I can't eat it if I do it myself. But if somebody else do it and I couldn't see this, I can eat it. But if I do it myself, I can't eat it, and it's annoying, which I really need to fix it. Yes, this is the kind of last version of my salad. I will add olive oil, lemon, pepper and the salt later, because if I add now it won't be fresh, because my pasta need to be cooked first. I take out these things from the water. Now I will take some part of this water and mix it with mayonnaise. But I will take and make it a little bit cooler, because otherwise mayonnaise will be spoiled. My cakes, the shape are not good because I couldn't oil the cups perfectly, I guess. Then now I'm making a pudding, which I will definitely use this instruction. But more than that, I will just add butter to make it a little bit shiny. While I'm cooking the pudding, I will add my pasta. Don't forget to cook it with a lot of water and with a little bit high heat. And yes, this is the final version of my dessert. Oh, okay. And I've actually added some toppings, which is coconut powder, I guess it's called. Then when you are cooking this kind of dessert, you should take into consideration one important thing, which is if you want to if your cake is hot, you should make the pudding is cold. But I generally prefer the reverse, that my cake is generally cold and I add the hot chocolate or pudding. Then if you do like this, the cake can absorb the pudding perfectly, so it will be perfect. Yes, I've prepared my toppings, and I also let it cool, the same water which I cooked with the same pot with them, and I prepared cheese, and I will mix this with mayonnaise, like normal mayonnaise, and add all together when the pasta is done. I mix it with this because it's always easier to mix it with this kind of cup. And I think pasta is done because I don't like too much cooked pasta, and this is perfect, I guess. Yes, this, and I will put a little bit water to make it a little bit not sticky, and that's it. But I won't put too much water because I don't like too much cold meals. Now I've added the toppings. By the way, I always use the yolk of the egg in order to decrease the food waste. so I always use it in cheese. And now I will mix it and add this mayonnaise. Yes, this the final version of my food. I add half of that lemon to this. And by the way, for my Italian friends, this is not the way the pasta should be, but this is the way that I like it, so I hope you also liked it. And so see you in my next video. Bye.